Hi guys, today I will be showing you on how to get free 200 naira airtime. So before you proceed, hit the like button and subscribe. So watch me. You click on the 4 button, the birthday reward. Click on input birthday details, number 1. Then click on 1, proceed. Enter your first name. On the day of date, put today's date. Any day you see this video, just put the date. If today's date is 23, put 23 of 10 2018 and send. I've done it today, so I'll be doing it again tomorrow. So when you do it, you will not see a confirmation message like this. You see. Thank you for watching that video and please subscribe. Thank you.